Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, look who's here. Clém, Faye Violet, my best travel partner and adventure buddy. And we are ready to go camping to Upper Michigan, and we're pretty excited, aren't we, Clem? We are, aren't we? All right, so here's the van all set up, minus Clemence's seat, and it's all packed up, not just set up, but packed up with everything we're going to be using at the campground in and outside of the van. Up here, I ended up putting our beach bag slash shower bag. That's going to be a dual purpose bag because I don't need two. I'll just use one. My toolkit, my horse pellets, those are for our toilet. Underneath the seat is a first aid kit. As you know, I lended my refrigerator to some friends of ours and our jackery, so I'm using a different little setup here. It's not even on, but it's a Coleman electric cooler. It's pretty tiny, but I've got in there just what we need for a couple days. Clem and I talked about it, and we've got in there just what we think we're going to be eating for the next couple days at the campground. It's gonna be fine. So when the car is on, this will be on. When the car is off, this will be off. When I get to the campground, I'm actually going to have to hook it up to my Bluetti down there, and then my Bluetti to the land power, because this only has a 12-volt cigarette lighter type plug thing. So anyhow, this is our snack cooler for on the road, just things that are in here for us to drink and snack on while we're driving. And that's all we have up here. So back here, do you recall I had Clemence's bed here laying fully down? Well, this is her mattress here. I just put it on top of my mattress. Okay, isn't that awesome? So this one is 67 inches long, and this one is 69 inches long. And this is just where I'm going to put it. I was going to fold this blanket up, but I thought, well, gee whiz, I'll just lay it over it like it was in her seat bed up here, and it's going to be perfect. So it looks just like a regular big old bed with a 6-inch mattress on it. So that's kind of cool. This is Clem's blanket for the road, and our blankets for sleeping. Are you cozy? Yeah, you're cozy, aren't you? So everything is in here. My food bag is right down there. That's like breads and just softer items. I couldn't put in that little bin down there. I didn't want them to get smushed. Let's go take a look at that right now. Actually, Clem, can you scoot over 1 second, honey? Let's look under here real quick. Hop up. There you go. My drive trunk organizer is full with both of our clothes. It's completely full. It's the best way for me to travel and get access to my clothing in a convenient way. This is my Hay Trip trunk organizer. That's my utility bin, and my toilet is up back there. Clem, can you pick up the blanket down there? Right down there, honey, at the corner. Yep. Pick it up. There we go. And that's my toilet back there. And as you can see, I don't have anything under this bed, and I don't plan on bringing anything because I don't need anything more than I have in here. Thanks, honey. My Reflectix are over there. Excuse me. Behind her little special guys. Where are they? Down there. Those are my Reflectix that go on all the windows, and you know this is my my windshield one. As you can see, I've got a fan over there behind Clem. That one's going to be for me, and this one here is for Clemence when she's sleeping up here. I'm going to take this down for driving purposes though, because I actually drove with it yesterday and it was a little bit of an issue, so I'm going to take that down. Back here, I decided to put the stove here and put a little towel over it so it doesn't rattle too much next to the refrigerator and bar. I'm gonna go get 3 gallons of water for this. There's my bin of food, and that's my bag of food. So that is all we got going on here, and nothing's changed in the kitchen. Everything is the same. And Clemence is pretty excited to use this table. What do you think we're gonna use it for?
Eating food maybe?
Eating food, coloring, playing, doing your little crafty books.
In my spy business.
In her spy business. Did you guys know Clemence was a spy? Okay. Over here, we've got our utility area. So this is where I have my camp chair, her camp chair, the camp table. This is our RV mat that's going to go outside on the ground here on the other side. This is where the refrigerator is plugged in right here, so when the car is on, that refrigerator will be on. But in the bottom of that electric cooler, it's not really a refrigerator. In the bottom of it, I have frozen chili, so that's keeping it really cold in there. me see if I can open this up. Sorry for the noise. All of our shoes are underneath there, and that's all I've got there, and then you see her life vest. All right, here we go. All packed up. Absolutely everything is in the van, including Clement's. So who just dropped over and gave you some snacks?
Uncle Gary.
Uncle Gary. And who's Uncle Gary?
Our neighbor.
Our neighbor. And he lives right here. And I've got the best neighbors. I really, really have the best neighbors. He hooked me up with fresh tomatoes and cucumbers from his garden. And he saw Clem getting ready to go, and he brought her over a bag of goldfish crackers. And I just am so thankful for his kindness.
It's cheddar and sour cream.
Cheddar and sour cream. How do you like them?
They're not bad.
Not bad. Good. Okay, up here, nothing's changed. Cooler's down here now. Her activity bag is there. That's her activity laptop that goes in her car seat here when she's doing her stuff. Stuff doesn't fly all over. Clem is here, of course. Her seat is up. Everything's working out great. And I have all kinds of room back here because I'm not just bringing stuff to bring stuff. So I like that. That's right. Because why?
Because then you don't have enough space.
That's exactly right. And we like a clean space, don't we? That's right. We only bring what we need, right? That's right. And Clemence is only bringing what she needs this time. Just those few things, and I can't tell you how thankful I am. Our hammocks hanging up there, and that is it. I have nothing new to report. Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I put the lid over here to that cooler in case something should go amiss with the electric part of it. At least I have the lid to keep it a cooler, because coolness would escape from it because it's a fan. It's this little motor thing up there. So it comes with a regular cooler lid. So I brought that. Anyhow, we are ready to rock and roll. We're getting out of here. And I'm very thankful for my neighbors, hooking Clumsy Locks up with some snacks, tomatoes, cucumbers for me, and Miss Beth over here, who lives in that house, she hooked me up with some, Clemence doesn't even know this. Clemence, she sent us with some homemade dill pickles. Yep, Miss Beth did. Miss Beth and Mr. Paul. They made them and they gave them to us. So they're going to be at the cabin when we get there. Papa's going to bring them. So they're very good to us too. And between these two, I'm telling you, we got it made in the shade. And they got all kinds of fresh green beans and everything. Yes, dear.
There's flies all over me.
All right, get them out of here. We got to shut the door. All right, everybody, we will catch you later. We're going to hit the road. And that's that. Have a fantastic day. Until next time.